Ormond Beach 32174 homeowners. Watch this before you sell. Hey, Brad Glazer here. I'm a realtor and certified home advisor with Coastal Market Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. Let's be honest, today's real estate market can be unforgiving. With rates hovering in the mid 6% range and inventory creeping up, buyers are highly selective. You can no longer rely on old school sales tactics to get your home sold. To protect your equity and successfully transition into your next dream home, you need someone armed with hard data, market metrics, and proven systems. Without the right tools and strategies, I'm seeing sellers make small mistakes that are costing them thousands at the closing table. That's exactly why I created a free guide, the 5 biggest mistakes sellers make. It's clear, it's data-driven, and it will help you navigate this shifting market with confidence. Click the link below to download your free copy. No pressure, no obligation, just the facts to help you make the right move.